Hello, greetings from Austria, from Salzburg. I want to show you my new freeform window, polygonal freeform window, and how it works. It's a little tutorial for you now, and what's possible with it. So just have a look at it. I just have to open it, polygonal window. You can see it here. But this is a ground floor display, okay? So if I put it in the wall, it finds its situation in the wall. And if you want to have a multi-layered wall, it finds its situation this way. So the first thing after inserting it, you have to draw it with this tool, also with this in the right bigness, also the measures of it. So this is the root point, that's the surrounding rectangle. And now you can make your editing as you want it. No problem at all. If you want to have round surfaces, you can make it with a lot of points, mostly near your curve you're drawing. And repeat. We are here in the ground floor. You see in the ground floor the elevation directly. And okay, there seems to be a little failure in it. Okay. And that's a point of Graphisoft. If I don't keep this in the ground floor visible, after editing it disappears, but I just have to go back and you see it. So let's get up higher. Okay, let's make something like this. And then you have some drag points. You can draw as a drag vertical profiles in. If I do this, you see what happens. They are as long as the maximal height of the thing. I can draw it here, and automatically it's cut out and set in correctly. I only should lengthen it to the right length. So I can do this for here. I can drag in some more and change the angle of it, but also I have to lengthen it correctly, mostly correctly. It's maybe not possible to get someone who fabricates it for you, but you can draw it. So after this I can draw in horizontal divisions. Also, I can make them another angle, but also I should lengthen it correctly. So if I show you 3D, all I've done is this now. 2D. As you see here, this line shows the bottom of the wall, and you can change the angle of it because this wall can be situated elsewhere with another angle, and you can you can change the angle of the 2D elevation drawing. And as you see, whatever you do, it's calculated here directly. And here's another drag-in possibility. You can, no, not here, sorry. Okay, I have to keep it inside. Here. You can use here. You see a little bit of it is displayed, so it won't vanish. So I can put in this here. You see it's a little bit outside. I do it back. You see this point. I can take this point to the line exactly, and make the measures of the casement. Okay, I have to get in. And if I do this in 3D, it really cuts out the opening for this casement. What was not possible for me, because I've not had the time to get some metal sheets here against rain. So you see, with this window it's possible to make nearly every kind of window opening, whatever you want, similar to the curtain wall, but in another way, for the construction in a much more free way. So what's also implemented, if I activate it here, you also see some points. What you can do here, you can change the depth of the construction in the wall. Here, of course, you can change the thickness of the frame, the surrounding frame. Well, you can make something like this if you want. Directly in 2D. That is a function I would like to get also for normal windows in Archicad. This point to edit in the ground floor. You can make this with these profiles. It's also for the vertical and the horizontal profiles if you do this here. And you can change the casement also, if you want it. And if you draw the casement, you see in the ground floor what's happening, also in this display. So it's a real freeform window, and I hope you enjoy it. Have nice days, and give big bad feedbacks for me if you think I could make something better or change functionality. Please write in the forum. Okay, thank you.